is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2026 BMW M3 Competition in Isle of Man green metallic with the Kyalami Orange interior. All right, so this is the 2026 BMW M3 Competition in Isle of Man green metallic. I've just pressed unlock, so you probably saw that welcome light shimmer come from the headlights. And before we start the video, I'm just gonna do a huge lap all the way around. This is an amazing color. If you're a green car fan, it is definitely a sweet color, but I know that a lot of people really like this color, but they're not brave enough to take it on every single day. And I can understand that, but this color is sweet. If you're looking to break some necks with your M car, this color will definitely do that. And there's a lot of people who get Isle of Man green metallic with the Kyalami Orange interior, and I think it does look actually really good. So without further ado, let's take a look at all the details. All right, so this is Isle of Man green metallic. If you're listening to this video through closed captions, it might have looked like I said I love men metallic, but it's Isle of Man. It's a place in the world where they have, I think, some type of racetrack, and that's why they've named this color after it. We've got these nice lines on the hood here, two sculpted arches on the hood, leading down to the BMW Rondelle up front and center. We've got the now famous on the G80, G82 body style, vertical kidneys with the horizontal double slats. And we've got the M3 Competition badging on the driver's side in black. And down here at the bottom, all these honeycomb shapes. You see the intercooler and that and down there as well. We also have the functional air ducts going into the brake area, and that's for cooling and for aerodynamics. And if we take a closer look at the headlights, you'll see that these are the BMW LED Shadowline headlights with the blue accents. And you probably just saw that welcome light shimmer once again. It is pretty sweet. So every time you press unlock, the headlights will give you this little dance to welcome you. So shimmers from the driver's side back to the passenger side and back to the driver's side. Pretty sweet. Now when we come around to the side here, you'll see that we have 19-inch front, 20-inch rear, double spoke 826M wheels in jet black with the blue M compound brakes. And it's quite wet out there. We got some Michelin Pilot Sport 4S. So hopefully the person picking this up today is a pro driver. We have the M3 Competition air breather on the fender. We have the black rocker panel. We have the black M wing mirrors. We have carbon fiber roof up top. Side profile. M3 looks amazing. And we've got the style of door handle where you can pull it from the top with the touch comfort access on all four door handles. We have the new style antenna up top, Hofmeister kink here on the C-pillar, and just wanted to take a nice look at this rear quarter and your rear 826M wheel in 20 inches. We have the black spoiler on the trunk lid, and just look at the hips on this thing. Crazy. Now let's get those L-shaped tail lights on. We have the X-Drive badging on the back with the M3 Competition badging on the passenger side with the silver lining since the LCI. And down here you'll see that we've got the vertical reflectors on the widest parts of the vehicle. Black rear diffuser, quad exhaust tips. Back end looks sweet. So I've got the key with me. I'm just going to press and hold the tailgate button. There's also a micro switch here you could press just above the license plate. And down here we have some handles that we can pull to fold down the seats in a 60-40 split. Carpeted mats are down here. We have a grocery bag hanger here, and we've got a little netted area that's usually up like this. Comes down from the factory, and then you've got your tire inflator kit with your wheel lock key, tow hook, all that. This side, front plate bracket with the hardware. There's a little plastic storage bin there. And we've got a button to close, another one to close and lock in one step, but we're just gonna close this for now the hands-free way. Beauty. Now, if we go and take a look at the passenger side on the rear quarter, you'll find that we have the fuel cap door connected to the central locking system. We're looking for 93 octane. BMW M recommends Shell V-Power. It's counterclockwise, one click. There's a little spot to put this, and when you're done, it's just clockwise, one click. Now, if I go ahead and open the rear door, inside you'll see that we've got that beautiful Kyalami Orange interior. The door panel's black with some contrast stitching, galvanic window controls, and door pulls here as well. Ambient light strip, Harman Kardon sound system, big door pockets down here. And look at these awesome seats. Black and orange always looks good. You've got the M tricolor seat belts. And up top here, the center headrest can flip up or flip down. You got the pass-through through the center here as well. And up top, you've got the black headliner, lights in the middle, and you got a handle on each side with a coat hanger. Down here, we've got the winter mats installed. There's some vents underneath the front seats as well as some lighting. And on the back of the center console, we've got some vents, rear climate controls, and 2 USB Type-C charging ports. So now that we've had a look back here, let's shut this door. And let's open up the front passenger door next. So once I open this up, you'll see that we have, again, the galvanic controls inside of here, unlock, lock, door pull. There's your ambient light, and we've got some pockets down here. We have the aluminum M3 door sill. Oh, sorry, Britney Spears, I don't want a copyright strike. And we also have lumbar, side bolster. Under the thigh extension is manually operated. And up here, we've got the nice M3 illuminated on the headrest. And with the sports seats, the headrest height is also power operated. And you can see we've got the new vent design, close, open, direct where it's blowing. Soft touch materials on the dash with some contrast stitching. We have the curved display mounted here with iDrive 8.5 with the M specific display. We have carbon fiber trim inside of here, cascading ambient light here, illuminated glove box down there. And if I press this open, you'll see that we have a wireless charger at the top. USB-A, cup holders, 12-volt plug. There's your M gear selector. I love how the M is emblazoned on the top of the selector there. We've got the M tricolor stitching. More carbon fiber down here, red push start button. And we have your Kyalami Orange center console cover with the USB Type-C down there. And if you have a cable coming out, there's a bit of a gap here so it won't get pinched. So let's shut the passenger door and go to the driver's side next. All right, let's open up that front passenger or front driver door, and got memory buttons, window controls that are galvanic, side mirror controls. There's a tailgate button down there you can press to open, pull and hold to close while the key is inside. You got your door pockets, aluminum M3 door sill, full power seat with lumbar and side bolster. And here we have the flat bottom M steering wheel with carbon fiber on it, M tricolor stitching going all the way around, red marker at 12 o'clock. We've got M1 config, M2 config. We also have the carbon fiber shift paddles with the red grips on the back. We have the head-up display, nice stitching going around the head-up display, little, I don't know what to call that, crater. Self back park, parallel park. And usually a lot of the safety features are off here. And if we go to M setup, you'll see all the aspects that can be adjusted, and when they are turned red, it's immediately done. There's no delay for that to happen, so that is sweet. We have the universal garage door buttons just underneath the rear view mirror, so you can program 3 garage doors. Lighting up top, button here for SOS, roadside assistance. The visor can also come down. The light opens with the mirror. This visor can also come out and extend, so that is sweet. And we've got some microphones on the ceiling on each side as well. So now that we've had a good look from the driver door, down here we've got your pedals. There's a little storage compartment in the M3. And here is your hood release. It says 2 times on it, so it's 1, 2. So when we arrive to the front, we won't have to find anything underneath here. You just have to lift this up. And there it is, the beautiful S58 3-liter inline-6 twin turbo, 523 horsepower, 479 foot-pounds of torque. Triangular strut brace here for more rigidity. Positive battery terminal, negative battery terminal, washer fluid. Look at this absolute beast. And BMWs have the 2 latches underneath here. So it just means they both have to latch at the same time for this to work properly. And also, don't forget, BMWs only like regular washer fluid, so don't put anything with silicone or Teflon or anything like that. So, bring the hood about halfway, literally just center down. Beautiful. Alright, so before we conclude the video, I just wanted to do one more lap all the way around. The car looks awesome. And I mean, the M3 definitely has grown. It is pretty big now. But with all the power and with the MX drive, you won't be fighting for traction and you'll be able to lay down all that power. So how do you like the 2026 BMW M3 Competition in Isle of Man green metallic with the Kyalami Orange interior and the black 826M wheels? Let me know in the comments below. And I know you guys want me to do this cold start, so we'll do 1, 2, 3 on the lock button. And 1, 2, 3 to shut it off. What'd you think? All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2026 BMW M3 Competition, Isle of Man green metallic with the Kyalami Orange interior and the black 826M wheels. How do you like it? If you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMW Durham. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.